Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact device model and the camera update version. This matters because mismatched files will brick hardware. Once done, backup settings and photos to cloud or SD card so you can restore them later. Make sure the battery is above 50% and the device is on a stable Wi-Fi network. Interrupted power or connectivity is the most common cause of failure. Now, access settings, navigate to apps or camera app details, and open the update or storage options to start rollback. You clear the camera app data and cache first because residual files can reapply settings from the updated version. Next, use the system rollback option if available. Otherwise, download the original firmware from a verified source and sideload it following your device's procedure. Enable USB debugging and use the vendor tool to flash the firmware. This avoids using unofficial installers. Verify checksums of every file to ensure integrity. Proceed step by step and watch the device log for errors as you flash the older firmware. You finish by rebooting the device to complete the uninstall and then open the camera to confirm all functions. Photo, video, stabilization work as expected. Once operating, restore your backup settings and test each camera mode to make sure behavior matches the original firmware. If you encounter errors or a boot loop, do not panic. Retry the process with a full battery, use the official recovery or vendor flashing tool, and revalidate checksums. That recovery step resolves most issues when the first flash fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.